Rajasthan, where an unidentified person placed a bike scrap on the railway track near the Chachoda village in the Chhabra area on the Kota-Bina railway line in Rajasthan, leading to a collision with a goods train passing through the track. Officials have said that while the incident could have led to a major accident, it was due to the attentiveness of the goods train loco-pilot that the disaster was averted. This comes amid the ongoing investigation into an attempted sabotage that led to the derailment of 20 coaches of the Sabarmati Express near Govindpuri station in Kanpur on the 17th of August. Prior to that, there was another case of a deliberate train derailment attempt involving a Jodhpur-bound Vande Bharat train. Rajasthan Police, along with Indian Railways, are looking for information on who placed the bike scrap on the track. Efforts are now also being made to trace the owner of the bike. Further details are being investigated. My colleague Manu Sharma with us on the broadcast. Manu, please take our viewers through the details. Another deadly train accident has been averted in Rajasthan due to the attentiveness of one of the loco pilots. However, what are the investigative agencies saying so far, Manu? What have they found?
देखिए, राजस्थान में एक हफ्ते में दूसरी बार ट्रेन को बेपटरी यानी डिरेल करने की कोशिश हुई है। ये छबड़ा के जो 12 गांव है, वहाँ चाचोड़ा गांव है, वहाँ 28 अगस्त के रात 9:30 बजे की घटना है। उससे पहले एक ट्रेन गुजरी थी, जब तक कुछ भी नहीं था, लेकिन जैसे ही ये मालगाड़ी गुजरी तो एक जो बाइक का जो स्क्रैप होता है वो उसके ऊपर डाला हुआ था, जिसके कारण से, लेकिन जो विनोद मीणा जो लोको पायलट है, उन्होंने इमरजेंसी ब्रेक लगा करके इसको रोक लिया था ट्रेन को। लेकिन इसकी जांच चल रही है और जो आरपीएफ है वो इस सारे मामले की जांच कर रही है। आरपीएफ के जो डीएसपी हैं वीके मीणा, उनसे हमारी बात हुई है। वो कह रहे हैं कि ये कोई साजिश है, शरारत, इसकी जांच की जा रही है। आरपीएफ के रेलवे के जो उच्च अधिकारी हैं वो भी इस मामले के अंदर जुटे हुए हैं। सबसे बड़ी बात है, बाइक के स्क्रैप पर जो चेसिस के ऊपर जो नंबर लिखे हुए हैं उसके आधार पर मालिक का तलाश किया जा रहा है। इसके मालिक से पूछताछ की जाए कि क्या बाइक वास्तव में वहां उसका जो चेसिस डाला गया है पहले से क्या काम में ली जा रही थी या नहीं, या कोई कबाड़ से उठ करके यहाँ पर डाला गया है। इस सारे बात की जांच की जा रही है और ये भी किया जा रहा है कि रेलवे ट्रैक पर जो इसको पटका गया है तो क्या कोई शरारती लड़के हैं जिसके कारण से, क्योंकि राजस्थान के अंदर पहले कुछ दिनों पहले एक वंदे भारत के लेकर के भी सुमेरपुर के पास में एक घटना हुई थी। वहां पर सीमेंट का ब्लॉक डाल दिया गया था और वंदे भारत उससे टकरा गई थी, लेकिन कोई बड़ा हादसा नहीं हुआ। लेकिन ये जिस तरह की हरकतें हो रही है उसको लेकर के रेलवे प्रशासन और आरपीएफ काफी चिंतित है, क्योंकि रेलवे को डिरेल करने की जो कोशिश की जा रही है रेल को, उसको लेकर के कभी कोई बड़ा हादसा हो सकता है। इसको लेकर के काफी सेंसिटिव माना जा रहा है, इस 12 वाली घटना को भी, और इसकी जांच की जा रही है।
Ellen Rao, former DGP. Mr. Rao, we're reporting another incident of what seems to be another attempt of a suspicious activity in Rajasthan. A bike scrap was found on one of the platforms and there was a collision between two trains, but a major accident was averted because of the good senses of one of the loco pilots. As far as all the recent accidents are now concerned, Mr. Rao, what do you think in your assessment could be happening? Do we continue to consider these mere coincidences, or does a larger investigation now need to be launched in this sort of a modus operandi that is emerging of placing bits and pieces on railway tracks?
Yes, good evening, ma'am. Keeping in view the recent 2 consecutive attempts to derail our Indian railways, it seems that it's not a coincidence. It may be some bigger conspiracy which needs to be probed by the Railway Protection Force, RPF, or also with the help of Intelligence Bureau in India, so that because recently there was some information that some ISI people are planning to disturb our railway system, railway track, and they want to do some major attack on these railways, because railways are more prone for such type of activities, because it's a long track in Indian railways is there, and that the whole track cannot be looked after or supervised by the locomotive staff or some other railway inspection department. thank God to that local locomotive staff who spotted this thing, and then it was prevented. Otherwise, there could have been a very major incident if the trains could have been collided or the train was delayed in this case. So, such type of incident we cannot take it as granted, and it's not. I doesn't think that it seemed to be. It's a coincidence. Another thing that is being inquired into by the RPF people, and let the report become public, then we can only decide. But apparently it seems to be some conspiracy by some mischievous persons to derail our system.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.